Hi everyone, my name's Charles, Minister Charles Wamombi, and I'm born again Christian. And today I'm grateful because of this day. I can say that's the day that the Lord has made, that we should rejoice and be glad in it. And I've been a minister for 10 years also, and it has never been easy. Lakini azasema kwamba Mungu ametembea pamoja nami. Kuna vijana ambao tulianza na wao because niliokoka kama I was just a young man. Kuna vijana ambao tulianza na wao wakafika pahali wakapungukiwa, wengine wakakata tamaa, but today I have a testimony ya kwamba kuna Mungu anaweza, because I'm the testimony. And I'm married. Nakumbuka when I was a young man, kuna time niliandika list moja kubwa sana with all the characteristics of a wife that I needed. But nakumbuka one of the fellowship ambao nilienda, and I saw this beautiful girl, nikatupa mistari, and by the end of the day nikakubaliwa. We are married today and we have 4 kids, 1 beautiful girl, Joy Mombi, and 3 gentlemen. So we have a family of 6 and we are doing great in Jesus. So I can urge everyone, a young man, that it's always good kukaa kwa Mungu. And this is Let's Talk, and as you can see, these are Christmas festives. I want to wish you Merry Christmas and also a prosperous New Year. This is now Let's Talk, where serious issues are being discussed and addressed, issues pertaining ministry and pertaining youth, pertaining faith. Because for instance, we have these young pastors, we have pastors ambao wamekuwa na issues when they were bringing up their churches. Unapata kuna time walikuwa na challenge sana, and walikuwa wanaenda church and then wakienda church wanaomba, washirika wanatoka for altar call, wanawaombea, and then things happen. After 2 weeks wanakuja na testimony, wanasema oh, I have a miracle, Mungu amenitendea. Whereas the pastor amebaki pale with the challenge, with the issues of life, mpaka anashindwa, how am I going to make it through? So we have those kind of pastors ambao tutakuwa tuna discuss with them in this Let's Talk. Watatuambia what they went through, how they made it through, how they overcame these challenges, and now they are doing fine and strong in Christ. So we are still having young men. The issue of dating has also been controversial among many Christians. Wanashindwa, how do we do dating in church? Because there is dating in church and dating also outside the church. So it's where we discuss issues pertaining relationship, concerning datings, concerning engagement. Unajua nakumbuka zile siku za Samoa ambazo nilikuwa naenda kuengage, nilikuwa nimepelekwa na convoy wa make sure that everything went safe and secure. But nowadays unapata, because of the social media and all that, things are changing. So we have those talks to discuss those engagements, those dating and all that. Also we have those youths ambao wamekuwa wakiuliza God for how long. Kuna wale ambao wameanza na wao wanakuja chap chap wanaolewa. Then we have those mature youths ambao wanauliza, hey, imechukua muda sana, God, when are you coming? So there is these questions about their coming up. Wanatuuliza, how long is long? How long is too much ya kugojea? And this is a platform about to discuss those issues. We have people ambao walipitia hali kama hizo. By the end of the day, they have made it through. Now their families, they have overcome those stigmas. Najua vijana wanaweza kukupea stigma. So these are the issues that we will be discussing here. Also, the issues of young pastors at the ministry. Unapata, I've been ordained as a minister. I have a church. I have couples ambao wako na issues za life. Wananipata kwa ministry, wananiuliza, pastor, how do I go through this? Whereas mimi mwenyewe sijaoa. So we have those ministers ambao walipitia hali kama hizo. Now they have made it through. They have a testimony for us to encourage young pastors who are coming up. So this is the place for those kind of talks. And also we have faith, the matters of faith, the issues of baptism. Kuna wale ambao wanaamini kwenda kwa mto, maji imejaa mpaka inawanyonga. Kuna wale ambao wanaamini kuna maji ya kikombe, kuna wale wanaenda swimming pool. So all these questions have been raised. Tunaulizana how to go about the faith in the issues concerning baptism. Also we have different kind of issues that we are going to discuss in church. So basically, when we talk about Let's Talk, this is a platform that we'll be deliberating when we come together and we share our ideas. We have other people who have real life testimonies ambao wamekuja in a family that they had divorce ama break up families. Unapata these boys wamekuwa na issues. Unapata the journey has been tough because stepmothers sometimes they mistreat people. So we have those people who are sharing with us about their real life testimony. Also the single mothers and the single fathers, we cannot forget about them because it has been also a challenge kwa makanisani. Unapata kuna single mother who is bringing up a kijana. So and you know vijana sometimes they can be headache. So it has been a challenge to these women. So we have this kind of women who went through this, single mothers, and then they came up through. So they have testimony for us on how to bring up these kids, on how to be open to them. So this is a platform. Also, if you have a burning topic that you want us to discuss, any challenge, any questions, anything that you feel, any issue that you feel you want us to discuss, this is a platform. This is a platform. So you can let us comment there, and we are going to discuss those topics as we go through together. I know you have a friend, you have a colleague, you have a brother, you have a sister. Please share with them. And I believe it's going to be a blessing to them also. And hapo chini kuna kidude about to subscribe. So subscribe so that you may get our info every time we release a message or any discussion or any debate, utakuwa unaipata. Be blessed, have a prosperous new year, and tupatane in the next show. Tubarikiwe sana.